Welcome, my name is Dr. Kingsley. Okay, in this class, we are going to be solving questions on gravimetric factor and percentage composition. Now, we have question already on the board, okay? That is what? Find the percentage composition of oxygen in Na2CO3.10H2O. That is a sodium triazo carbonate 4 decahydrate. Now, how do we solve this? As a solution now, as a solution, we have what? The percentage composition, okay, of oxygen will be equals to gravimetric factor of oxygen, that is GF, gravimetric factor of oxygen, multiplied by 100%. Remember that gravimetric factor is what? Mass of oxygen, okay, in the compound divided by molar mass of a compound times 100% over 1. So that will be, how many oxygen do we have in this compound? Remember here we have 10 oxygen, then plus 3. That is 13, okay, oxygen, divided by the molar mass of the entire compound, which is Na2CO3.10H2O. Okay, everything multiplied by 100% over 1. So when you look at this, you will find out that what? The gravimetric factor, okay, let us clean the board, this part. Now, we'll find out that the percentage composition of oxygen will be equals to, this is what? 13 times 16 over, okay, the entire compound is 186, then times 100% over 1. Okay, that is 208 over 186 times 100%, okay, over 1. Now, when we look at this, what we will have is, of course, when we use our calculator, we are getting 72.72. So that will be 72.72% as the answer. All right. So we want to take question number 2. Question number 2 says the percentage of water or crystallization in zinc tetraoxosulfate 6, okay, heptahydrate is dash. This question is coming from JAMB 2009 question 3. It's an exam question. What is the percentage of water or crystallization? So percentage of water of crystallization, okay, will be equals to what? Mass of water of crystallization, okay, all over molar mass of compound multiplied by 100% over 1. This will be equals to, how do we get the mass of water or crystallization? Totality of this, that is 7H2O over the molar mass of the compound, which is Zn, okay, SO4.7H2O, then times 100%, okay, over 1. So this will give us to be equals to 7 into water. Remember, this is hydrogen, 1 times 2 plus oxygen is what? 16, okay, divided by the what? The molar mass of this. Remember, zinc is 65, okay, plus sulfur 32, plus oxygen is what? 16 times 4, then plus this is 7 into 1 times 2 plus 16, okay, then everything times 100% over 1. So when we divide this, or when we calculate this, we will be having the percentage of water of crystallization will be equals to, when we compute this, okay, what by calculator, all right, we are having is 126. So that will be 126 over the total molar mass of this, if you calculate it because of time, is a 287. Then multiply by 100% over 1. So when you do this over this, multiply by 100, okay, what we are getting is a 43.9%, which is approximately 44%. So that is the answer.